So welcome back, aliens. This is Navin Reddy from Telescope Learnings, and uh, today's topic is how IT company internally works. So in this from last week, I got some requests on a video how. So they wanted to know how IT company works. So here it is. So this is my observation of IT companies. Is not I have read somewhere. It is my observation when I go to different companies, and I have seen how the internal structure works. So that's what I'm explaining now. So basically, there are three different types of companies. Okay, so let's say if you're working for a company as a programmer, so there are three different companies you can work for. So the first company you can work for is called as product-based companies. The second one is the service-based company, and the third one is the company where their domain is something different, but they have their own IT department. Example, their domain can be oils, their domain can be banking, their domain can be some other thing, maybe shipping. So in that company, there will be one department as IT department. So let's say if you're working for a bank, let's say Bank of America or maybe HDFC, so they will be having their own IT department. So you can work there also. So if you might be working for a product-based company, service-based company, or some domain-specific companies. So when you're working for product-based companies, what your main job is, again, there are different. If you talk about all these companies, they have their own. Different streams. So you can be a developer, you can be a tester, you can be into tech support, you can be into database, you can be into server management, you can be a network administrator. So there are lots of fields available on in the company. So let's say if you are working for a product-based company, so they will hire you based on your skills. So let's say if you are good with .NET, so they will hire you as a .NET professional. So when you join a company, a product-based company, your job is to work on .NET. Okay, your job is to make applications. Now these applications can be example. Let's say if you talk about product-based companies, take an example of Oracle. So Oracle, they have their own products. Maybe you can work for SAP, you can work for Apple. So it's a product-based company, right? So you have to make products. Now the idea of the product can be your idea. It can be your company's idea. So normally company have their own idea. They try to implement that idea with the help of some softwares. So they make a software based on the ideas. So your job is to work on that software as a developer. But let's say you're a tester. So your job would be to test it. Now again, testing can be a different thing. It can be a manual tester, automation tester. Now again, for manual testing, we have different tools. For automation testing, we have different tools available. So in the product-based companies, you have to do those stuff which you're specialized in. And maybe you also have to provide support for your product. Example, if you are making an application, it is your job to also support it. Okay, let's say after 2 months, your project is done. Maybe after 2 years, your project is done. And now, initially, you have to provide support for that project, maybe for 6 months. So that's how a product-based company works. The next one is, let's say, service-based company. So what happens in service-based company is, for service-based companies, you are just a resource. Now they will hire you. Now it doesn't matter what you know, which technology you're working with. So even if you know .NET perfectly, they might put you in Java. You know Java, they might put you in PHP. So it's dependent upon their requirements. So they will not listen to you what you want and what you know. So they will give you what they want you to do. And so for them, you're just a resource. So the same person who is developer for last 2 years, now he can work as a support engineer. The same person who is doing support, they may get a development project. So the service-based companies work with the services. It doesn't matter who you are. You have to work on those things which your company wants. Then you can also work for a different type of company, like example, a bank. So if you're working for a bank, you have to. So their projects are internal projects. Example, if you talk about service-based companies like Infosys. So Infosys make projects for other companies. Example, let's say if I am Godrej, I want to build a system or the software for my company. So I will ask Infosys to build a software for me. So Infosys will they build a software, they will build a complete solution, they will give it to me. Okay, but what about banks? So they create their own software. So they write their own software. So you will be working for a bank, and your software, your project or your product will be used by your bank itself. So you're not outsourcing the project. So yeah, that's how internally it works. So when you join as a fresher, you have to work on those things which company wants, But once you get a hold on the technology, then you can, you can master in that technology and you can be expert of that technology. The only thing which I would suggest is whenever you join any company, doesn't matter is it product based companies or service based company, keep improving yourself, because the only way to, to go up the ladder is by improving yourself. So you can improve yourself by learning new skills, by learning how to network with people, by learning how to do proper communication. I'm repeating the same thing. Communication doesn't mean English, it means how you communicate with people, how you talk to people, how can you convey your message to other people. So that is communication. Okay, so learn that, learn how to do networking, and that's how you go up the ladder. Now what else? Yeah, that's it. That's how internally it works. So if you have some more questions, let me know so that I can make a video on that. And if you like my videos, please click on the like button, and if you are not subscribed it yet, do subscribe. So that's it.